Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the RAYGUN Kyrie 7s. But before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. We'll start off with the box. It comes in this normal black Kyrie box. You got the Kyrie logo in red. Nothing real special. You guys can see I went with my true size, which is a size 10. Retail price $130 US. So good price. Like I said, you get good quality, decent retail price. Then on the inside, you got some normal white wrapping paper. No one cares about that. I really like the design they threw in here. Just a lot going on. I think my favorite part is this little alien dude right here. Yeah, it's pretty dope. But I know you guys aren't here for the box, so let's get into the shoes. Bam! The Kyrie 7 RAYGUN. I'm always hyped to try a new Kyrie model out. All the other models I've really liked on court. I've not tried a pair of Kyrie 7s yet, so I'm really excited to test this out. Right off the bat, I can already tell this is a light shoe, which is good. The traction pattern on the outsole looks very nice. I think this is going to be great for traction. Obviously, I need to get on court before I give my final say, but just off the design itself, I think it's going to be pretty decent. Now you do have this mesh-like material on the upper. Another thing that I really like about this shoe already is the tongue. The tongue is not super thick, not super high. It's a pretty flexible tongue. It's pretty soft, you guys can see. Pretty much just like a foam-like material. So it gives for some padding, but I don't see this jamming into the front part of your ankle. So that is definitely a good thing. Now taking a closer look at the lacing, it does come with white laces. You have these black little tabs in this rubber-like material. Down at the bottom, you got this little tag. You got the RAYGUN little logo down there. You got black Nike swoosh with stitching around it in yellow, going back to this yellow tab. Honestly, my favorite part has to be the little RAYGUN logo. Just super dope. I love it on the back. Definitely a cool touch to the shoe. Now you have a black midsole, white outsole. You guys can see this 44 right here in orange. I'm not sure what the 44 stands for, but I'm pretty sure this has Zoom technology. Actually, I think they're calling it Zoom Turbo. Yeah, so you got Zoom Turbo technology. I don't know what the difference is between Zoom and Zoom Turbo, but I imagine it's just a more advanced version of Zoom technology. And one thing I did notice about this colorway is there's not a lot of personal touches for Kyrie. And what I mean by that is usually he has a lot of sayings on like the outsole. He'll put little hints all throughout the shoe. Here you do have two things. So on the back it has his legacy is gonna live on forever. And then somewhere else on the shoe it does say Elizabeth. So on the right pair you have a name. I don't even know how to pronounce that honestly, but I know the left shoe does say Elizabeth, which I'm pretty sure is his mother or daughter or sister. I can't remember, but I did notice those were the only two touches, which I feel like there's usually a lot more. I guess there is another thing. He does have the little all-seeing eye on the midsole. Very, very light, like you can barely notice it, but it is there. Yeah, pretty cool. Again, I am excited to try this on court. That being said, let's take a look at these on feet.
Been so cold, so fresh, so fly. Never been so cold, so fresh, so fly. Never been so cold, so fresh, so fly. Tell myself believe G. Nothing to value is coming easy. Focus on your dreams G. Passion gon' put you up on the TV. Tell myself believe G. Nothing to value is coming. Cautious, psychedelic, man, I'm nauseous. I hope to see the movie of my life so I can pause it. Play it back, try to mend all these cracks. In my heart, no coming back. I should be a running back, catching feelings just like that. Making metaphors for all these feelings feel like extra math. With no math, know that there's no coming back. Once I put my words on flat, make sure that my back ain't bumpy since you walk all over that. Cause I'm the mirror that cracked, the man with no back, the work with no slack, defend and attack. I'm bound to subtract your ego with facts, I'm different like that. Cause like the ocean, I'm a moving force.
And bam, the Kyrie 7 RAYGUN. Let me know what you guys think of the Kyrie 7. What do you think of this particular colorway? Let me know all that good stuff down below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.